Hi everyone, it's me Jo. Today I'm bringing you a brand new tutorial just about this look. Sort of a mixture between Daryl Hannah and what I take to be sort of like the modern golden goddess, which is the Charlotte Tilbury phrase, forgive me for using it, but it is kind of just a simple golden look that brings out blue eyes. I tried new lighting and new setup with a different camera, so if this works out, I hopefully will make it vertical. If it doesn't, it will be horizontal, but we will see. I'll try both because I want it to be on my Instagram and also on my YouTube. I haven't done a girl look because I have been working my ass off in so many different areas of my life. So here is my everyday look, some extra skincare and what I do and wear today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and enjoy the video. So I had a bit of a crazy morning because I am currently in a village with my family and my memory card decided not to work. So what was I going to do? I had to go to one shop, they didn't have a memory card, had to walk to the second shop, they didn't have a memory card. Then I had to go ahead and find a way of getting to town, which was not good because I have not gone on a bus yet or gone on public transport and I do not drive. So I was like sweating out trying to run around. I've got bleached brows, as you guys can see, so I probably look like the walk of the living dead, me strutting around. But I got to the little town area and I managed to get a memory card and some flowers and just some things to perk my day up. So I'm going to try some new products that I've bought, and I'm also going to be using an amazing skincare device that I thought would add to the kind of feel of these new videos. I'm always trying to share with you guys new things that I'm interested in. So this is called Dermacolor. Now, Dermacolor is a skincare brand, and it basically is a serum which comes in a capsule booster you apply and a microchip. What do these things do? Well, I guess as you can see from my skin, they really are amazing at illuminating your skin. I've been using these for a couple of weeks now. It's a way of creating a more stable transition into your dermis. The products that we normally rub onto the skin are very crude. It never really goes in properly, and sometimes it just sits on the top like a dead layer and gets in the way of what our skin actually needs to do. So this brand created a way of getting that serum into the skin, and I'll share with you how to do that now. So you grab this little serum pod, is it going to zoom? And you apply it with this thing here, which is it's basically like a rubber finger. So you attach the two together and you apply the serum all over. So I'm going to divide the face up into sort of quarters, and then I will apply the nanochip device to the application. So as you can see, you get this really strange device here. Now you kind of just massage it onto the skin like a sort of fingerprint, and my skin has been freshly cleansed. I've been basically just doing my routine. I've given you guys a few breakdowns of what I do. But the secret to my skincare is just letting my skin do its thing and not getting in the way of it. And I know enough about skin to really kind of focus in on areas that really concern me. And I'm so happy that I've been working out a lot because we're in lockdown and there's not much to do to get yourself active. And it snapped everything back into place because I felt like my skin, I just felt like the way I looked on camera when I was doing videos, I looked really different. And it was because I have had work done to my back and my back's now upright. My neck's a lot like longer looking, and my jawline just wasn't ready for that because I'm always kind of like hunchback of Notre Dame. And if you've seen some of my old photo shoots, when I was a little model kid, this has been going on my whole life. It wasn't just a 1-2 step process of getting back on my feet. I had to go through treatment, and I'm doing daily physio because of the damage that was done to me as a child. And I have to really work through this in the best way I can, but I haven't been able to go to a physiotherapist and actually have someone work on me. So I've been trying my best, but it's been really hard work. But there you go. I'm going to talk about that maybe later in a video. So once you have the application of the microchip, this is the daily microchip, they're slightly different, the booster and the daily. You attach to the pen, you push the button, and it sort of does a mixture of, I guess, a dermabrasion, and it pulls serum and skin to this device, which I'll show you. You move it in the direction of up, basically. So I'll show you, and I'll start with here. Does it hurt? It has a feeling to it. It's like a sort of dull scratch, not as intense as a microdermabrasion or a peel. But it really, really, really seems to have done a trick with my skin, which I'm really happy about. You can pretty much see that there's like a collection of skin cells and stuff in the end. I've been really, really, really busy. It's not been quiet for me at all. There's been a lot of move in my family. There's been just so much going on all at the same time. Trying to basically decorate things in one property, trying to structurally figure out what's going on with another property, and you can't just stop because of this lockdown, because it's like you spend money on this stuff. So that's been very difficult. It does leave your skin a little bit pink, and I did notice that my skin felt a little bit sort of dry and peely under my eyes. But I do use retinol, and you're not meant to combine retinol with these types of products. So I stopped my routine, but my skin was still kind of like sensitized from using it before. And this brand is called Derma Nuage. And the serum's Blanc. You can find out all their details below. So straight after the treatment, everything goes a bit pink, but I am very comfortable with this. So I'm gonna have about an hour's rest and I'll come back. Hopefully the sun will still be as gorgeous. Just to show you in the kind of head of the device. Kind of collects, so you throw this away. But yeah, it's really effective and very excited about the long-term effects. So I'll add additional blogs on Agitprop. But what a world. We're living in nano chip skincare. And it works. So now we are all good to go. I'm just going to go straight in with the makeup. And my first product is a lip product by Tropics. It is there. They do this amazing lip plumping balm. Lovely. Next on my list is a product I've used for years. It is the Dermacolor. This is the very cheap concealer cream. You can use it all over your face or in a kit. I keep them on the go. I use the colour, and everyone always asks me this, it's D2W. It's a peach. I basically use it to colour correct, and that is what I'm doing on the under eyes. When that's in, I'm going to go in with foundation. Now, I change up all the time what I'm going to wear on my skin, and in this, there's a bee trying to break in. Shoo! Right, anyway, there is loads of products I use on my skin, and I've been mixing up some new formulas because I wanted to create an invisible foundation. I'd like to celebrate my skin now I've got it to where I want it to be, and I don't want to put heavy things on it. But sometimes I do like to go glam, and I wanted to do a sort of golden goddess today. So we'll go in with some new products I bought in the shop. So I literally bought this in a couple of colours today. It's the Facefinity All Day Flawless Primer Concealer Foundation All in One. This is by Max Factor, and I'm using a colour called Golden, even though I think it's a bit pale, and I've got a darker colour to work it in. So I've gone in with that foundation all over, and the colour's great. The coverage, is it enough? No, it is not for me. So I'm going to be using Kevyn Aucoin, the Central Skin Enhancer, and going around my, sort of the middle of my mouth area here and under my eyes. And I don't really have much on my forehead because I like to keep some areas of skin really natural, but others I need that extra help. So here we go. I'm going to try and add some of the Facefinity in this colour. And this is the Tawny, and I'm just going to contour with that now. I have forgotten how much I need to use loose powder because I don't do full glam in the sunshine normally. Let's put some powder on. So I'm going to be using this product by Dermacolor. This is the fixing powder, and I'm just going to set through. I really love the Uemura Lightbulb powders. They are like a really nice just a gorgeous sort of skin-like finish powder, and I'm going to be using this in the perimeter, and then I'm going to try another new powder by Max Factor. This one is the Face Affinity Compact Powder, and I'm going to be trying this in shade Natural. Do I need more contour? Not for this look, but I'm going to add some Makeup Obsession highlight, and I'm going to be using this palette. Now that Makeup Obsession highlight is now on the cheeks, looking lustrous. I feel like I've got something tickling my eye here, and I do. So the Charlotte Tilbury look I was really interested in. I think it's her niece that does them, but they're really like glorious brows. And I've been looking for a great brow pencil and just brow products in general. So I wanted to try this Revolution one I saw. So I'm going to actually go through my brows and see what shape I can get. So I have been now waiting for a noisy thing to stop, but anyway, carry on. So here are the brows. Now I'm gonna go in with some nice wash of colors around the eyes, and I'm really excited about the lips. I'm gonna do a Pillow Talk, gorgeous Charlotte Tilbury lip. So now those lashes in, I used a variety of Huda products I've just got. I wanted to find a kind of nice nude lipstick. I'm struggling to find one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna combine a nude palette eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in, and then, that's by Huda by the way. And then I'm gonna go in with some very, I don't know actually, I think I might just do that and then try some of that Tropics lip balm and see what happens. I'm gonna try that Tropics lip balm on top and see what happens. Right, so now I have the full face in. I'm gonna find some hair. So here's the finished look. If you guys remember America's Next Top Model, one of the winners, I think her name was Ivana. I'm kind of giving that today, aren't I? So I'm gonna find some hair and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back with the 30-inch white human number that we're rocking today. I'm kind of giving Daryl Hannah a splash. What do you guys think? Super easy, but I wanted to give you a fresh new look, and hopefully if I've done this right, we shall see. I should be able to have made this into a vertical and a regular HD or 4K video. I might be too close, but I don't know. Maybe you'll just get full mug. Who knows? Who knows what to see? But shout out to the Charlotte Tilbury artist, Sophia, I think her name is that her name? Who does all these sort of looks with the big brows and the glossy skin and this simple eyeshadow, because she inspired me posting some of this on Instagram. Definitely check out all the products I've been trialing and using, because that was loads of new stuff and also some of my new favourites, including that amazing skincare. Everything will be listed below, check them out. Check out Dem Nuage in the links below. Hopefully you're being calm, collected, and creative. Now, I've just tried to say that like 3 times, like it was some riddle. I don't know what is going on today, but she's lost the mind. Whew. Anyway, I send love to everyone. That's the beginning and the end of it. So take care, and I'll see you all in my next video.